Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make Parmesan crusted chicken. This is one of my husband's favorites. Whenever we go to a Longhorn Steakhouse, he always gets this. It's absolutely amazing. And to get started, we will start by marinating the chicken first. So here I have 3 chicken breasts that I went ahead and pounded so that they can be a bit thinner. And I'll be using some Italian dressing, some buttermilk ranch dressing. I have black pepper, chicken bouillon, onion powder. I have canola oil, complete seasoning, and garlic powder. Let's get started. So what we'll be doing here is adding all the ingredients to a bowl, mix until well combined, and this will be used as the marinade for our chicken. So one main ingredient I forgot to show you guys I was using was some Worcestershire sauce, which I did add off camera. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys. And now we will add the marinade to the chicken and we'll make sure it is well coated. Then we'll place this in a Ziploc bag and we will sit it in the refrigerator overnight. You can cook it in about 2 hours or so, but allowing it to marinate overnight or for about 6 hours, you will get the best results. Fast forward to the next day. Here are the other half of the ingredients I will be using. Here I got some provolone cheese. In case you're wondering, I am using the provolone slices. This is what it looks like. And I did go ahead and chop them up. I also will be using some more of that ranch dressing. I have my chicken that I took out of the refrigerator. I'll be using some shredded Parmesan cheese, some parsley. I have grated Parmesan cheese and some panko breadcrumbs and some butter. Now we'll be making our 2 toppings for the chicken. We'll start by making our crusted top, which requires butter, panko breadcrumbs, and grated Parmesan cheese. We will mix the 3 ingredients to combine and we'll set it aside. Then we'll go ahead and make our provolone cheese topping, which requires the provolone cheese, shredded Parmesan cheese, some of that buttermilk ranch dressing, and I like to add parsley to mine, but the parsley is completely optional. We will mix it all to combine, and those will be our 2 toppings for our chicken. Once you're done, this is how they should be looking. Now let's move on to the next step. Here in my cast iron skillet, I did add about a 1/4 cup of oil. And now I will add my chicken. I will let them cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. You don't want to overcook your chicken because they will become dry on the inside. And you don't want that. After about 5 minutes, we will now go ahead and flip the chicken and allow it to cook for about 4 minutes on the other side. This is the time you want to preheat your oven and put it on the boiler on high. Once the chicken is cooked on both sides, look at that gorgeous golden brown, guys. It just looks super amazing and it smells great as well. So what we'll do here is we'll go ahead and place our toppings on the chicken. We will turn our heat off at this point and we'll place the toppings on here. We will add provolone cheese topping first. Then we will add our crusted top, which is the breadcrumbs. And we will place this in our oven for about 3 to 5 minutes, just until the cheese melts and the top gets a little bit golden brown. After about 5 minutes on boil, our chicken is now done. Now we'll go ahead and top it with some fresh parsley. And that's it, guys. Super simple and easy. Great for a dinner idea. Now let's fix us a plate. So this is how I make a super delicious Parmesan crusted chicken. It's great for a dinner idea and it's super delicious. Today I will be enjoying my chicken with some Parmesan creamed spinach and some mashed potatoes. These are our favorite sides whenever we get this dish. I do hope you guys try the recipe, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!